The new HTTP file support in Visual Studio 2022 makes it easier to both test and document your APIs. Let's take a look. An HTTP file is a simple text file that allows you to send requests to any URL. Just specify a method and a URL and click the green arrow when you're ready to execute the request. On the right-hand side, you'll see the response returned from the server. You can construct URLs that will hit your local endpoints and even send HTTP headers along with the request. This lets you both test and document how to call your API. In this example, we're calling the exact same URL, but we're using variables that makes it a lot easier for me to both customize and modify the endpoints I'm calling. You can specify multiple requests in a single HTTP file by separating them with 3 pound signs. Right-clicking a URL shows the send request command and its keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-S. This allows you to easily execute any request that the cursor is on by hitting that shortcut. If you found this video helpful and you would like to see more of the same type of content in the future, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel down below. Happy coding!